Imagine being able to create a majestic swan with just a simple piece of paper and knowing that it's been done for centuries. The origami swan is one of the most iconic and elegant shapes in the world of paper folding, and its origins are as fascinating as they are little known. The story begins in ancient Japan, where paper was first introduced from China during the Heian period, 794–1185 CE. Origami, the art of folding paper, quickly gained popularity among Japanese artists and craftsmen. One of the earliest recorded designs is a swan, which was allegedly created by a Japanese artist named Akira Yoshizawa in the 1940s. But what makes the origami swan so special? It's not just its beauty, it also holds a deeper significance. In traditional Japanese culture, swans are revered as symbols of purity and good luck. By creating an origami swan, one can bring these positive energies into their life. One fascinating aspect of the origami swan is that it requires great patience and skill to create. The process involves folding the paper in a specific sequence, with each fold carefully calculated to create the desired shape. This level of precision and attention to detail has made origami an extremely popular pastime among enthusiasts around the world. Interestingly, the origami swan has also been used as a tool for learning mathematics. In Japan, origami was often used as a way to teach students about geometry and spatial reasoning. By folding paper into different shapes, students could develop their understanding of mathematical concepts in a fun and interactive way. In addition to its cultural significance, the origami swan has also played a role in conservation efforts. In recent years, scientists have discovered that the shape of an origami swan can help protect certain types of trees from damage caused by insects. Researchers have used the unique shape of the swan to create protective barriers for these trees. The origami swan's enduring popularity is a testament to its timeless appeal. Whether you're a seasoned folder or just starting out, there's something magical about creating this beautiful and intricate design with your own hands. As the Japanese proverb goes, folded paper is like the human soul, fragile yet resilient. Over time, origami has evolved into a global community of artists, designers, and enthusiasts who share their creations and inspire others to try new things. For those interested in exploring the world of origami further, there are countless tutorials, books, and online resources available. Whether you're an origami expert or just starting your journey, the Origami Swan is a timeless classic that's sure to captivate and delight. With its rich history, cultural significance, and mathematical underpinnings, this magnificent design will continue to inspire generations of paper folders to come. In recent years, new designs have emerged that challenge traditional notions of what an origami swan should look like. From abstract interpretations to innovative materials, the possibilities are endless when it comes to exploring the world of origami. As we gaze upon the serene beauty of an origami swan, let's remember the centuries-old story behind its creation and appreciate the skill, patience, and attention to detail that go into bringing this masterpiece to life.